Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be unboxing the Tornado V4 Pioneer. Opening the box. X-Man Tornado V4 card. Yeah. Here we got the accessories. It's a pretty big box actually. And let's see how they open. This, yeah, just cute bag, cloth, bunch of pants, but it's, yeah, not that important, and oh, a blank center cap, that's nice, and a screwdriver. Let's open up the actual cube. How do I open this? You just pull, and that's the cube. Okay, it's UV coated. This is the Pioneer. It has triple magnet first turn. Okay, I really like this. It's not super fast like the Tornado V3 is. Like this, I had to put in the tightest settings and like use the loops. This feels like it's at like pretty good speed out of the box. Not too fast or not too slow. Let's see, corner cutting. Yeah, reverse. Okay, about line to line. Yeah, it's pretty good. And let's see, the magnet adjustments now in the corners. That's nice. Slices are pretty good. Take a look at what the pieces look like. So yeah, the corners have triple magnets. Those, no, they're not adjustable. They just look very similar to the V3. Corners. There's where the magnet adjustment is. And yeah, ball core. Seems like it has a little bit of factory lube on it. Yeah, let's look at the V3 for reference. Corner to corner. There's the magnets, obviously. And that, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but I think this is a tiny bit bigger than on this one. But the design looks practically identical. Now let's look at the corners. If I can get this out. Yeah, again, looks exactly the same except for the fact that the magnet adjustment's now on this. Yeah, and wall core. This one's a bit old. So yeah, that's the V3. V4. That's the plastic ends. I hope the core like breaking's not an issue with the V4. Look at that. This feels like a very solid cube. Actually, I didn't think it would be, but it could be my main. This turns really well. Yeah, overall it's a really good cube. It feels more of like an upgraded V3. It's not like completely new cube, but it's good. I think it's a good upgrade because I used to, like, for the longest time I didn't like the V3, and then I started liking it recently. But I think this is definitely better than the V3. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and bye.